Hey everyone, so I wanted to introduce myself on YouTube because this is really my first time being on here. So I'm used to being on Instagram and kind of TikTok. But I wanted to get on YouTube because I want to post longer videos and more travel tips. But I am Christina, the authentic adventurer, and I've been traveling for 17, 18 years now. So I've traveled to 12 different countries. I've studied abroad in three of them. I guess I'm trying to keep track. But yeah, so I've also been to Japan three times, and I'm actually going back for my fourth time this spring. So I want to make sure I can help as many people as possible with their plans, not only traveling for the first time abroad in general, but traveling to Japan for the first time, or maybe you've already gone to Japan and you just want to revisit some things, some cultural ideas. So yeah, I'm here. Ask me anything. I'm ready to get started on this journey.